Hi guys, I'm Dom Seeley and I'm here today with Beautyworks and PrettyLittleThing to show you how to get perfect date night hair at home using the Beautyworks waver. So the way I like to use the waver is I like to flip it on the underneath just so I can see where to go. It makes it easy for you to use. So you go in on a clean section, open the clamp, close the clamp on that 2-inch section and leave it 5 to 10 seconds. And what you want to do is you want to aim to get the bevel of the wave or the indent, say, inside the waver tool. So on the next section I will match the pattern. You get more of a correlated wave rather than leaving gaps in between. So as you can see, that's your first section. So typically what you want to do is match this rod to this indent. So then you pick your next section back up, pop the rod back in, and that's your second section. And you just want to follow this all the way down your hair, just for even pattern. And again, 5 to 10 seconds is all you need. Release. And you can sort of see this nice sort of beveled wave coming through. So this look is really foolproof. Your waves will last you days, so they'll last you probably till you next wash your hair. So it's perfect for that date night and then going into the next morning. It's so important when you're using the waver that your prep work is key. So on Danielle's hair, we prepped it with the 10-in-1 just to provide that heat protection and also the shine and health. As you can see, it's making it super easy to get through this hair. As you get to the end of the hair, one of my little tips is, while you've been doing these sections all the way down on the underneath of the waver, turn your waver the other way, find your indent and pop it in just on the underneath, just so that the end of the waver will face inward rather than outward. And if you did want to seal the ends of your hair, you can pop your waver tool inside, leave for 5 seconds, and then just slightly pull through just to seal those ends. I always like to turn the waver tool so it faces straight and then clamp, so you get rid of any of that ridge what appears. When you purchase the waver tool, you will also get a heat protected glove, and you also get a heat protectant mat so you can work and place your tool down while you're working and also protect your hands from burning. We recommend to keep your waver tool on 180 degrees. Now I've got it set higher because I want more of a deep set wave, but I've got the added insurance of the heat protection inside, so I'm not too concerned. Position your Beautyworks waver directly straight, and so it stops the bevel creating at the top, and then you can carry on going through. As you can see, it stops the wave or the harsh demarcation line forming, and then just follow through with your wave. To get this look date night ready, always find your clean, neat part. So wherever you part your hair from, always go from that part in, just to make it look really polished. So for Danielle, we're just going to go straight from the side, just off center, and work his way back. When you get to these face framing pieces, what you want to do is find where your eyebrow or eye level is and put your waver in that area. It just makes it look so much more modern. And again, your Beautyworks waver tool, the original way around. This is the part where you really don't want any creases to form, because this is the part where everyone sees. The best way to take this hair from date to date night would be to use a wide tooth comb. Don't use a brush because you're going to get too much volume and width. If you use a wide tooth comb, it's just going to break up the waves but still keep that wave formation there. To polish this look off, use any oil or serum and just run it all the way through your mid-lengths and ends, just to really give it that really glossy, polished finish. Hope you enjoyed me creating this date night look. Thank you so much for watching.